Kite-Kayaking takes the world stage. This incredible journey has given us insight into developing the ultimate kite-kayaking system. The next generation of kite kayaks will achieve record-breaking speed and performance. Kite sailing on all normal sailing courses. Kite-Kayaking World Championships is now pre-launched on Kickstarter. Follow the link in the video description to stay posted on Kite-Kayaking World Championships. Kite-kayaking is a lower impact form of kite surfing, utilizing a kite, a kayak, and a control system. At Pacific Sky Power, we have developed specialized components to optimize each of these disciplines. We invite everyone to follow us on Kickstarter and also sign up for email updates on our landing page. All types of kayaks can be used for kite kayaking, but there's definitely an optimal shape and hull configuration to use for kite kayaking. With extensive trials conducted over the last 10 years, we have trialed all the different types of kayaks and discovered the best type for kite kayaking. The complete kite kayaking system by Pacific Sky Power provides both racers and recreational sailors the best possible kite sailing system for enjoyment and safety. With community support, kite kayaking will become the next big thing in the sailing industry. In addition to single-person kayaks, two-person and three-person kayaks will be used for kite kayaking. To optimize power, each rider on the kite kayak will fly their own kite to create kite kayaks powered by 1, 2, and 3 kites. Now for all the future kite kayakers around the world, let's start to go over some basic fundamentals with sailing a kayak. First and most importantly, we recommend not attempting to develop your own kite kayaking system, which can be super dangerous. With proper kite kayaking equipment, sailing downwind can be optimized with swooping and looping the kite. This will maximize line tension and hull speed. If you desire a more relaxing ride, holding the kite in the stable position is perfectly acceptable. Broad reaching while kite kayaking can be optimized by swooping the kite. Sailing the kayak straight across the wind can be optimized with swooping maneuvers. Sailing a kite kayak upwind can be optimized by holding the kite in a stable position. More detailed training material will be released as we near the launch of Kite-Kayaking World Championships. For anyone interested in kite kayaking, I will provide 3 links in the video description. The first link will direct you to follow Kite-Kayaking World Championships on Kickstarter. Additionally, you can sign up for email updates on our landing page. And finally, you can follow us on Facebook to stay posted on our social media. Thanks so much for watching. I encourage everyone to watch this whole video as we travel the world testing the possibilities for kite kayaking at many different locations. In Seattle, Washington, we sailed up the Duwamish River a few miles against current. As I got closer to the drawbridge, I made sure to reel in the kite. And then deploy again once we had cleared the bridge. Kite-kayaking opens up many new opportunities for adventure. Unlike kite surfing, kite kayakers can carry their kite on the kayak and deploy whenever the wind comes up. And of course, it's always very important to secure your paddle with some kind of a leash before you deploy the kite.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
This sailing session was incredibly relaxing. Oh, but look up ahead. There's some power lines that I definitely need to reel in before we get even close to those guys. Yeah, this just illustrates another great option for kite kayakers to reel in the kite whenever any kind of a risk occurs in front of them. And then when you're clear of the risk, deploy again. Here on the Duwamish River, the river actually opened up into a nice big bay back here that I had never explored. It was about 5 o'clock and just absolutely beautiful out. At this point, I decided I'd traveled far enough with a kite and it was time to reel the kite in and head home after a great day on the water. We did have fun testing out a few foil board designs for kite kayaking and definitely had our fair share of wipeouts. Testing out all the options for kite kayaking adds to the credibility for the ultimate kite kayaking system. Supporting Kite Kayaking World Championships is a great ticket to adventure. In just a little bit, stay tuned for some kite kayaking interviews from team riders.
totally awesome.
The kite boat was awesome.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Hey, Dan, hooked up with you this morning in Hood River. It's blowing 28 to 35, just beautiful, nice swells out there. Launched a 3-meter kite, hooked into some of the swells. I've never gone so fast in a kayak. It was flying. It was amazing. You can see they're racing out here today. Small sails. We were able to climb upwind. Wonderful, come across and burn it down the waves. That's a lot of fun. I'm going to do that again. That's a lot of fun.